Let's start with a CFO. How to analyze his sales with respect to ROI and gross profit of an organization. As a CFO, he should analyze his sales to increase the profitability and ROI of the company. So we have to analyze his sales and stock, overall profitability, and stock holding ROE. In this dashboard, we created from tally of an organization and prepared and imported the data from tally and prepared a dashboard in Power BI. This data indicate for 3 to 4 years data. I'm going to analyze this sales for the year 24 to 31st December 2024, where we can see total sales and year of year changes. What is the closing stock of the company? How many holding period? Gross profit? What is the ratio of the gross profit? Sales per customer? What is the sales per customer? Whether it is sales per customer is increasing or decreasing. ROI of the stock. ROI, gross ROI of the stock means how much profit we can generate by holding a stock. There's a different category of product is there. We can analyze individually, and in this case, what is the monthly trend of sales? The customer group sale, which customer is getting more sales, and we can analyze which customer group is getting reduced. So we have to focus on that area to increase the sales revenue. When we are clicking the customer sale, we will get also the what's the profit of this customer, closing stock, everything we will get here. And the product category. Product category here is which product and holding period of this stock. What is the GP of this stock group? What is the ROI of this stock group? In this case, the least ROI of the stock is this item. When click on this item, we will get the overall the monthly trend of this stock item, and we can analyze what is the reason of this decreasing of ROI. It maybe there is maybe higher stock but lower sales. In that case, also the profit will be lower. So overall, the sales will be lower. And the case here is the this green indicates the average sales revenue, and stock indicates the how total stock. With this red indicate the what indicate in this red indicate the red indicates that there is no much sale as compared the stock. The stock is very high when compared with the sales is very low. This red indicates the sales are very low as compared to stock. So unit has to focus on these red indicate item and to boost the sales and to reduce the stock, and to the company can also make a decision that these stock should not purchase because should not purchase and to reduce the minimal level of the stock. These are the analysis we can get on overall an idea about the which stock item we have to maintain separately. This is the target weights of the salesman, target weights of each branches. Is how much profit is generated by each salesman. It is the average stock of company, whether it's increasing or decreasing. What is happening opening stock? What's happening 1 to 3 year stock? What's happening 1 to 9 day stock? Everything is available. This overall, a CFO can make a relevant decision about the stock and the sales and customer group, and to increase the overall efficiency and profitability of the business. This graph entirely prepared from the accounting software, which is Tally. Okay, thank you, and subscribe our channel and to for getting more video about the CFO dashboard in Power BI and how to analyze the dashboard in Power BI. All the relevant data, all the relevant details are available in this channel. Thank you.